Good morning, Temptation fans. A few weeks ago, we posted a successful video which was sort of a beginner's guide to Temptation Resort in Cancun. Today, we're going to give you some tips on what to avoid on your trip to Cancun. Although specific to the Temptation Resort, this list is pretty accurate for most resorts in the area. Also, stick around for the end of the video where we'll show some bash highlights from Temptation's general manager. Number 1. Avoid airport transfers and local taxis. Your best bet is to book a shuttle with the hotel. Cancun's airport is a notorious haven for scam artists and dishonest taxi drivers, so avoid the scams with a private shuttle booked through the hotel. Adam uses CancunCare.com to book USA transfers and has never had a problem. Number 2. Avoid the ATM as much as possible. Bring some cash with you to avoid heavy ATM fees, as most resort ATMs will hammer you with fees in the $20 range. Yikes. Number 3. Don't venture too far off from the resort. Other than a gift shop or pharmacy across the street, there's nothing noteworthy within walking distance of the resort, so don't waste your time, and frankly, the sidewalks are kind of unsafe. Number 4. Don't sit for the timeshare presentation. The high-pressure sales can last in excess of 5 hours, and in many people's opinions, it is a total scam. Also, it isn't really even a timeshare. You just pay a huge fee to have access to a private sitting area and some room upgrades. Seriously, it's a waste of money and time. Number 5. Avoid going to bed early. You'll want to attend the bash events at the pool at night, and bring a fun costume with you. Bash is, well, it's a bash, so don't be a party pooper who's asleep by 9. Just sleep in. Number 6. Do be careful with the slippery floors and uneven concrete. The wet marble floors after a night of drinking, well, they have taken down many tourists. And it is Mexico, so the safety and liability standards are different than in the United States. Number 7. If you do visit the pharmacy across the street, be careful before you bring Mexican medication back into the US. Some items are fine to bring back, others have limits on the amount, and yet other items are forbidden to bring across the border. So do your own research, as the local pharmacists may not be experts in regards to border control. Number 8. Don't try to date the entertainers. The resort has a ton of gorgeous entertainers. During the day, they call them playmakers. At night, they have temptertainers. They dance, hang out at the pool, lead events like topless volleyball and drinking games, but don't confuse their flirtation with an interest in hanging out with you after work. They're strictly forbidden from social visits outside of their job. Here are a few pics and videos of Temptation Playmaker Jordan. She is gorgeous and gets a lot of suitors. However, she has a boyfriend and isn't allowed to hang out with you in your room at Temptation. Number 9. Please, please, please do not take video of people at the resort without their permission. It is a topless resort and most of the people there don't want to be filmed. So if you want to take selfies at the pool, book a room at Sandals. What happens at Temptation stays in Vegas. Wait a minute. And number 10, bring sunscreen, particularly if you want to spend the day at the pool or take the cruise. Sunscreen in the hotel lobby can cost in excess of $30 a bottle. You don't want sunburn, skin cancer, or an empty wallet, so bring your own bottles. There you go, folks. Do you have any other advice for travelers to Cancun? Leave your comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for our animal and travel videos. And click that notification bell for all our updates as well. Now let's check out some bash highlights, followed by a word from Thinnergy.
Hi guys, this is Alexa with a shout out for the team at Thinnergy. You guys are helping people lose weight so they can look great. Keep working hard for those beach bodies to make this year your best one ever. Make every day count, and I love every single one of you. Thank you guys. Love, Alexa.